In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert video to audio in CapCut PC, step by step, so you can quickly pull the sound from any clip and save it as an audio file. This is super useful if you want to turn a video into a podcast-style audio file, save a voice recording, extract music, or just keep the sound without the video. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once CapCut is open, make sure you're inside the project where your video is stored, or create a new project if you're starting from scratch. The goal here is to get the video into the editor so you can separate the audio from it. Next, click Media in the top panel. This is where you import files into CapCut. After that, choose your video from your computer and bring it into the project. Once the file is imported, you should see it appear in your media library, ready to be used. Now drag the video to the timeline. This step is important because CapCut needs the clip on the timeline before you can extract the audio from it. Just click and drag the video down into the editing area and place it on the main track. Once the video is on the timeline, right-click the video clip and select Extract Audio. CapCut will automatically separate the sound from the video and create an audio track underneath it. This is the exact feature you need if your main goal is to convert video to audio quickly. After that, you'll see the audio appear as a separate track below the video. You can now work with the audio independently, which means you can trim it, move it, or edit it without affecting the video clip itself. This gives you a lot more control over the final result. If you only want the audio, delete the video track. Just select the video clip on the timeline and remove it, leaving only the extracted audio behind. That way, your project is now focused entirely on sound. Now it's time to export the audio file. Click Export in the top right corner of CapCut. This opens the export settings where you can choose the output format for your file. From there, choose Audio Export if that option is available, or select an audio format such as MP3 if CapCut gives you that choice. This is the key step that turns your project into a usable audio file instead of a video file. Finally, click Export to save the audio file to your computer. Once the export is complete, your audio is ready to use, share, upload, or edit in another app. And that's it. You've just learned how to convert video to audio in CapCut PC in a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.